Let's calculate using the 3 laws of indices here. These two equations here involve indices. The variables, or numbers, are being multiplied by each other, so we're going to use this law of indices here. For this first question, we've got y to the power 6 being multiplied by y to the power of 4. It's going to be y to the power of something. Looking at the indices, we have 6 and we have 4. And what we do with these, looking at the laws of indices, we've got a and b, and actually we add these together. So 6 plus 4 is 10. So the answer is y to the power of 10. Similarly, this second question, we've got 6 cubed times 6 to the power of 5. We know it's going to be 6 to the power of something. Because we're multiplying, we're going to refer to our law of indices here where we're multiplying. Now referring to the powers, we've got 3 and we've got 5. Well, what do we do with these indices? Well, the law of indices says, well, this power and this power, you add them together. So 3 plus 5 equals 8. So our answer is 6 to the power of 8. These two questions involve dividing. So we're going to use the dividing rule of indices, which is this one here. We've got x to the power of 7 divided by x to the power of 5. We know it's going to be x to the power of something. We now need to know what to do with these indices. So we've got 7 and 5. Well, our law of indices says you've got this power and this power. You do the first power, take away the second power. So 7 take away 5 equals 2. So our answer is x squared. The second one, we're still using the dividing rule, it's just in a different format. We know it's going to be 8 to the power of something because we're using 8 both times. And with our powers, we've got 14 and 2. Our first power and our second power, you do the first power, take away the second power. So 14 take away 2, which is 12. So our answer is 8 to the power of 12. Using our last law of indices here, we've got n to the power of a, all to the power of b equals n to the power of a times b. So for the question on the left here, we've got a to the power of 4, all to the power of 3. Well, this power, all to this power, you times these two powers together. So 4 times 3 equals 12, so our answer is a to the power of 12. Same for our second question, we've got 7 to the power of something, we've got 7 to the power of 5, all of this to the power of 6. Again for this rule, a and b, you times these two powers together, so 5 times 6 equals 30, so 7 to the power of 30 is our answer. Here's 6 questions for you to have a go with. The laws of indices are on the bottom of the page. Pause the video and resume when you're ready for the answers. And here's the answers. I hope you did really well with them. Check out the next video, which is using the laws of indices with fractions and decimals. Like, subscribe and support the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.